Gold price analysis. Gold is the largest financial asset in the world with a market cap of $9.5 trillion. Based on technical indicators, TradingView is saying that gold is a strong sell currently. Looks like TradingView is not happy with gold. 1 year performance minus 3%. Actually, if you think about this, not really bad. If I look at Bitcoin quickly, 1 year performance almost minus 60%, but gold still only minus 3%. So yeah, let's take a look at the weekly chart. Now some things are very important for gold. Take a look at this area below the 200 moving average. This line is the 200 moving average on the weekly. Look at this area. Whenever price goes below this, and if you're able to find RSI that is below 35 or 30, you are able to find actually a good purchasing price for gold. Look at the huge pump gold saw after this. Even in the short term, look at this pump over here. So if we go back in history again, this area also similar. Price was below the 200 moving average on the weekly and RSI went to 20 something. So attractive RSI 200 moving average was broken. So good buying opportunities for gold. Currently 40 is the RSI. Another important thing for gold is if I look at this time period, now this is 2002 over here till 2012. This bull run of 10 years, look at this huge pump. The important thing is whenever gold is going up very strongly and wants to retrace, it tries to retrace to the purple line over here, which is the 100 moving average. And if I zoom to what is happening today, look at this. Look at this. We tried to test the purple area and found some support. Of course, we had a double top over here at roughly $2,075, $2,080 price. Retraced back down to 1690, 1680, and now again trying to find support in the 100 moving average, which is around 1690. From the weekly chart we go towards the daily chart, and let me show you something very important on the daily chart. This range over here, this is 1680 to almost 1730. This has presented us with good buying opportunities in the last 2 years since 2020. Some consolidation happened here and then we had a pump, came back down over here, formed a double bottom and then bounced again. Now trying to do I think something similar, maybe a double bottom will form again and then we will bounce back up. So we have to keep an eye on this. And of course on the other hand, if I go over here roughly 1850 onwards, this area is all supply zone, a lot of selling happening in this area. But what is happening currently is also this thing. Look at this, all the moving averages have collected over here, hence we found resistance and then dropped from here and then trying to come back a little bit more. Maybe once again we will see 1680, who knows. So these are the important factors and price points that you need to keep in your analysis if you're planning to trade gold. Once again, markets are all risky. Profit is there, loss is there. Learn proper risk management to protect your money, otherwise you'll blow up your account. So please consider stop loss, take profit, and good luck trading. Thank you.